guys, nandito na tayo sa Rivals. Dito. Sa private server ko. Huwag kang epal. Dito nga po sa private server ko. Dito sa private server ko. No, not infinite players. Not infinite players. Hi! Yan, laban tayo, JC. Big arena, bro. Ay, big arena, big arena. Big arena, pinaka-favorite ko eh. Tignan niyo. O diba, 40, kita nyo yan. Mamaya, P50 yan. Mamaya-maya.
Not exactly, but I have his laptop.
Bruh. Bro, isa rin yung auto-player, bro. Unbeat, bro. Hindi mo tatamaan mo ko.
And auto?
Uy, gogi. Yeah! Iba naman gamitin natin ngayon. Sniper, bro!
No, it's fine.
Because I'm good at sniper, bro. Meron akong aim assist trait. Ay, wala. Hindi ko na tamaan. O, diba? Kita niyo yan? Headshots, bro. Yung auto-shoot mode nyo, gawin yung dynamic para ma-headshot nyo ang mga kalaban nyo. Sana yun.
Ilang pinupli mo siya? Sayang patayin mo si Musta.
Ay. Headshot, bro.
I think I know who is selling the names and addresses of the Sunday
I think Satchel na lang.
death squad. It's Ahmed Nazari.
If any kind of investigation is underway.
You should have been arrested by now.
Do that without it.
Lo,
Fancy clothes,
putik.
watches.
So nga pala guys, magaling din to. Tsaka lalang magaling din to mag-sniper.
Sorry, we're already late for our...
Ako, sniper ako eh.
They'll start making difficult decisions.
Lo,
And all the while, my country is circling the
naglag eh. Naglag.
I promise you, I
Ang swerte naman natin.
Ahmed Nazari.
Kita tayo dito. Gagi, bagal naman nun. Yeah! Ha! Kita nyo yan?
Why?
Ora, bro.
Nazari is a pastor. Soon to be close. Hopefully.
Ora, bro.
Code name Sam Bennett and his intel more often than not.
Ora, bro.
He's penetrated the market. Impressive.
Sinalat mo.
5 points.
Sabino and
Eh, loser. Oh, 51. Nakita niyo yan? Ano siya? Aray ka. Ano yung nag-lead? Ano yung nag-lead? Ha? Yan, ang tagal mo naman. Tara. TBS-GC ka pa. Sali-sali ka lang sa gang ko eh. Eh, Big Arena! Big Arena!
Imagine if he wants to spend the next 10 years in a Bulgarian jail with a health problem.
Sniper ulit, bro.
You ever been in a war zone?
Meron akong skin sa assault rifle ko eh. Aray ko. Pero sa satchel at sniper, aray ko. Itong tatlong to, walang skin, aray ko.
I left that phone number. About 3 moves.
Shoulder brush.
Patay ka. Sulong man. Maragbuang.
Naka-auto-shoot mode lang ako para matamaan agad, para ma-headshot kasi ginagamit ko eh. Pag sniper, hindi na-headshot agad eh. Agad eh. Meron pa, kailangan, ano to eh. Tatatlo pa yung shot mo eh. Ay, dalawa eh. Para ma-headshot mo.
I'll take a walk.
Uy, diba? Katulad nun. Ay, gagawin ko na agad. Haha. Ay, gagawin. Look. Ikot mo naman! LOL!
No. For information.
Ay, ginis ako. Ay! Kailangan ko nga pala bandage!
Something you need to know first.
Gagi, oo nga no. Bandage.
Right now, my agency is working with
Ah, you're so lucky, bro.
and somebody killed him.
You're so lucky, bro. Huh? You're so lucky, bro.
Neither did I.
Energy pistons. Gagaya na ako.
Was it right?
Proof?
Working on it.
How are you working on it?
Have an officer in the field.
Sana
right
yun.
now. I expect to hear from you soon.
Uy, ito. Ito siya, oh. Ay, gogi!
Nasa din power.
Gusto siya meron siyang sniper. Ako wala eh.
Tingnan for everything else.
Ano, gogi, hindi yung mamut.
How long is your facility to find this?
Ay, gogi.
I can't.
Na, ano
Until tomorrow morning. Go this way.
With my life.
Now this is not always with promises. Okay, they're connected. Now what?
Now, I tried to get into Ahmed's computer through yours. I have to find a program I can even trace.
How long does that take?
This dude's got serious security.
This opportunity may be for you.
7 minutes.
Putik talaga.
30 days.
Again!